Okay, it's time to pretend I know what I'm doing.
Hello. Do you already need me?
What? Why would I need you?
You can't even start the video. How will you talk all this time? And let's be real, because I'm better than you. Don't you think so?
Okay, chill dude. What should I do?
Just start the video already.
So the plan is simple. Take the default cube, sand down the sharp edges and slap some glass on top. Boom. First step is done. Let's go. Smooth square. Washing machine. Screen place. Glass. Everything going so smooth.
Oh, look at this little genius. Why didn't you just delete the mod?
It's called artistic process.
Artistic process. You created a few polygons just for fun. Or you want to annoy me even more?
It's time to make the glass transparent. Okay, it shouldn't be like this.
I think you forgot something.
Oh, right. Damn, I forgot about this. It almost left me blind. Does it look like glass?
Nope.
Yes, it does. I made a huge mistake. I should have listened to him. And a glass box on top. Let's take a look to what we got. An old fuck-ass TV that doesn't work.
You suck. You ruined my soul. In development. And mentally. I told you. That doesn't look like a fucking glass.
Chill out, it's not a big deal. I'll fix it. Why didn't I listen to you?
It's because you are so retarded.
Next up is the screen. I want to create a pixel display that tracks and copies the shape of whatever is standing in front of it. Sounds simple, right? I hope this won't go wrong. The screen itself. Geometry noodles.
I'd like to see you rendering all this.
If this shit can't even work. Oh my god, it works. I finally made it. Right now we have this absolute horror of right human mind. If you think I understand what's happening here, you're vastly, terribly wrong. You overestimated my cognitive abilities, his cognitive abilities, and your cognitive abilities. My brain can't even calculate basic math, and now you expect me to understand this. Don't be ridiculous.
I don't trust this skin bag, so let me explain how this works a bit. This and this. Grid node to divide one plane on small pixels. Cylinder node to make pixels round. Instance on points. Combines previous ones and draws objects on screen. This line is to paint screen and drawn objects. And this is to select object that will show on screen. And how far the object is. Right now we have this. It will change a bit. But I'll keep it a buck with you.
Okay, I want to make eyes, and to make them I need square, not cube. The idea of this is quite simple. I need to change the cube on a plane. Why? Because a cube has 6 faces and a plane has 1. And since my PC operates on the processing power of a potato, in the middle of universe, I'm not risking a house fire after rendering some default geometry. I'm trying to render a scene, not simulate NASA calculations.
It took hours for you to make the screen. How long will it take for you to make eyes?
Can't you just shut up? Let me do my thing calmly.
You say that as if it will help you.
Geometry noodles again? Let's see, does it work? Yes, it does. Kind of. Okay, let's continue. I was connecting nodes, like I was trying to try out the ends of a case that was dead even before beginning. Node after node, connection after connection. Everything just turning in an endless spider web that holds your mind. After a certain point, you lose the understanding. Do you managing them, or are you just a miserable puppet that just thinks that it is the center of the universe? Hour after hour of sitting here, we're passing slowly and painful.
And if the puppeter themselves is just a miserable puppet, then what does that make me? What does that makes you? Parents created you, you will create another humans, and every version is a creator, created by someone else. Can we call ourselves creators? Or are we just machines, created to exist? And the idea of creators is just our willing to get an answer to rhetorical question, who are we? creators, or created.
Never mind, it works. Can you explain how it works?
What? Are you out of your mind?
I don't know how it works.
Why are you so special? This is the screen. The only thing that changed is this. Those three are objects on the screen. This one is to connect objects that will show on the screen. On this one, the number has changed. It reacts on distance, and if it's 0, the object has to be right in the screen. So for convenience, 0.3 is optimal. Are you sure you want to know this? Okay, so position takes coordinates of the object. Separate XYZ separating. No shit. Those 6 nodes are the ones that, changing the object. In my case, it's pupil. Those 2 are moving the pupil. Those 2 are making changes, symmetrical. Those are the size of the pupil, and combines changes. Grid is grid. This node group is another pupil to get bigger emotion range. Delete geometry, deletes geometry that comes from node, and, or node group. Combine XYZ collects all vectors in one group. Transform geometry is a big hub that combines everything and gives you ability to add driver, so the eyes will move as your controller. Group input creates block-in modifiers, so you can easily change everything. Mouth works on the same thing as eyes. If you will ask me to explain something else, I'll choke you out.
I think you understand what I will do here. Popcorn, colors and physics. Not too much to understand. First, I went to choose the main color of the body. Instead of choosing it in some scientific way, like some try-hard 3D professional, armed with color theory, I prefer a slightly more sophisticated technique. I just started moving the sliders around like a toddler with a mouse. And I stopped on this slightly grey metallic color. It's called Industrial Melancholy of an Unpolished Concrete Slab on a Rainy Tuesday. This color is very simple to understand for average people. The name itself perfectly describes this color. After choosing color, I decided to try to add some texture, but somehow everything that I tried looks like dirt. Like this. This one looks like laptop, so I played with this a bit more, but I didn't like any of them. And I left plain Industrial Melancholy of an Unpolished Concrete Slab on a Rainy Tuesday color.
I'm glad you picked normal color without my help.
Okay, let's start making popcorn. For it I need sphere, a few of them, like this. Connect them together, add smoothing and some mods. A bit more smoothing. What's the point of playing with those rookie numbers?
Wait, don't move it fast.
I just moved it a bit.
You killed Blender.
Okay, I'm back.
What kind of marshmallow is this?
The first one is done, second is here, third, fourth, 5 will be enough. Physics time, let's try this.
I want to see that. Funny.
Okay, shit happens. Next try. Okay, let's try again. What even happened? Where did this come from? Oh, it works. Now we can make more popcorn. It's so laggy. Just look at this. Oh yeah. I'm the physics master. Too much popcorn falling on the side. I need to move it. This looks so good. It's time to make it look tasty, delicious, marvelous, scrumptious.
I won't forgive you any mistake here.
Too red, too orange. What even happened to this one? And now it's perfect. Wanna see what we got in the end?
Then subscribe already. What? And that's all?
Hey, people been looking at you the whole video.
It's not enough.
And I think we forgot something.
Hey, where's my popcorn?